Hello, welcome artists and audiences. So today I will teach you how to become a successful freelance artist. With this technique, will you able to perform with more gigs, manage better your income, serve better your job. So don't worry, this is very simple, easy. Everyone can do this, all right? Come to me. My name is Claudio Tavares. I'm founder and CEO of Bravoo. Let's understand what is freelance artist, okay? So all freelance artist is a creative professional who creates artwork, entertainer, performance, their service to general clients, general public, okay, private clients as well. Freelance artists can be dancers, entertainers, photographers, makeup artists, website designers, fire performers. So everyone that works as a freelancer offer art service can be the freelance artists, okay? So stay with me until the end. You'll be very good for you because I have more ideas to you become a successful freelance artist, okay? So let's start now. The first thing that you need to understand is how you improve your art skills, okay? Your art skills can be improved for different forms. Education, course, experience. Clients sometimes they ask you, what's your experience or what's your education? Are you a graduate, you know? So this is good. If you don't have this, it's okay. Once you start, maybe you have people just start as a freelancer here, and this you can gain, you get jobs. So don't worry about this. Okay. The next one is the game industry knowledge. So the gaming industry knowledge gives to you more knowledge about what you offer for your industry. What's the business? So you can manage your business. So this is good for you to understand what to do, you know, if the clients ask you something, you know what to answer. So this is very good as well. The next one is target market. So this connects with the one before. The target market is a primordial for you understand what they want. Okay, who gonna buy your service? Who you hire you, what they want from you, okay? Also, is the competitors as well. Is it somebody that you offer same service that or similar service that you offer? So this is not like against you, but it's good for you to understand because once you set up your price, you can see the other artists how much they charge as well. For you have your balance, you know, for you understand what you charge, what you is better for you. Okay, the next one is workspace. The workspace is the where you gonna practice or study or rehearsal. This is very important, artists, for everyone. So dancers, you need good shoes and good floors. Okay, so all the artists need some workspace. Don't need to be private. Maybe you can go and work in the different place, like outside in the public area. It's okay. It's fine. All right. And the next one, guys, is the portfolio. Clients always ask you their portfolio. Okay. Portfolio have pictures, videos, details about you. So sometimes the clients ask you, where is your portfolio? Can you share your portfolio, what you did before? Today you have a platform for this, online platform. We have Bravoo, we are bravo.com. This platform, the clients look for you guys there. The clients can hire artists in the Bravoo. So once you go in the Bravoo, do your portfolio, you do your profile, your portfolio, you set up your business there, okay? And people can hire you there. So this is easy. So today you have online portfolio. Go to Bravoo, have a look, and let me know what you think, okay? The next one and the last one is is the grow your career. Grow your career. This is the step that you should go forward. Once you start to get gigs, once you start to know about your target market, so, and then all the permanent income come to you, like every month, every week, you know, like it'd be very good for you as well, because you already set up your business, okay? So this is a very nice. In the end, you can see like, oh my gosh, this is so good. I follow the steps. Now I'm like more relaxed. I can advertise better my job. I can take more gigs. All right. So this is good. All right. In the end, I promise you some tips that my opinion, this is very important. Okay, skills for like freelancers, artists, general. All right. So the first one is the time management. Time management. All the clients love the time management. Once you book the gig, you should go and set up your things or talk to your clients in time. Don't be late. Today you have internet for you set up your business, like calendar, for example, Google Calendar. You can put like address, the time, who is the clients. Okay, you can plan your trip. So this is good. This will be very good for your career as well. All right. So the next one is the business skills. Business skills is more you can manage better your business. The next one is the creativity. The creativity everyone have, I think. All the arts have creativity, so they really love to share the creative for the clients, for everyone, showcase what they do, what they offer, you know. So the creative is good. You plan your creative, like this client can show this, the other one is better show that, you know. So this is part of the management as well, okay? And the last one is the communication, guys. The communication is so good. Clients love to chat with you, ask you, oh wow, you're good. So tell me how you start to do this, because it's incredible. I love your performance. I love your job. And then you start communication, all right? Even like chat, like in the internet, something, it's good for you have this good communication. It's not only talk, but also express yourself, okay? So this is what I have for today, guys. I really would like to know what your feedback. I really like to know what you think about all the videos. Thumbs up for the videos if you like. Give me some comments. I hope this can help you a lot, even for you guys just start, or then others that already is in the market, already is a freelancer, but this can help, like, oh, I never think about this. So this can help you, this video can help more about your job, about what you offer to the clients, okay? So thank you so much one more time to come and watch the video until the end. Yes, give me comments what you think, what you want for the next video. If you subscribe now, the video go to you every week, every time when you launch the video, okay? And thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.